Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone Narzo 80 Pro 5G with racing speed design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED quad curved display, 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels, approximately 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 391 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, HDR color quality support, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 26mm Sony IMX882 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel 22mm depth camera with aperture 2.4 and LED flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel centered punch hole. Front-facing camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system. Based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12GB, 14GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.75 by 74.92 by 7.55 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams, and the color options, racing green, speed silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 80-watt wired SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, 300% maximum volume support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, 6050 square millimeters Cyclone VC cooling system, and military-grade shock resistance support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Pro has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 19,499 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 21,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 80 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.